Hi and welcome to this video. Today we'll be taking a look at the sum, the SUMIF and the SUMIFS. Considering the sum is the most popular function we all do in Excel, and simple, it's used as equal sum, open the bracket and pick the numerical value of the column and close it up. You have the value of each of the columns. But when it comes to SUMIF, you're summing based on a condition. You want to sum how many Catholic in this column and this add up the schools together. So use what we call SUMIF, open the bracket, pick the range, which is school sector, followed by a comma, then pick the criteria here. It says criteria, pick the criteria here, then you follow by a comma and pick the sum of the range, which is the school. Get that and you close the bracket. You have that value. All the way drag it down, you have other values. You could apply the same here for the combined section, for the school level section, which is equal to SUMIF, open the bracket, pick the range, which is the school level, followed by a comma, pick the criteria here, followed by a comma, then the sum range. Once you do this, you close the bracket and you have your value here and just bring it all the way down. But for SUMIFS, you're going to have two criteria based on Catholic and combined, so you make use of SUMIFS. To achieve this, with a formula called equal SUMIFS, you go ahead and pick the sum range first, which is the sum of the schools first, followed by the range criteria 1, which is the school sector, comma, being Catholic, comma, then the second criteria, which is school, comma, then pick combined, then close the bracket and you have that value. You can drag this down and have this. SUMIF and SUMIFS are wonderful and easy to use. Just know the context in which either of them can be used and you have a perfect result. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.